had no time to kind of contribute to some UGC site. So we had to pivot. And we started investing very deeply. At the time, it was not called AI. It's just like natural language processing and machine learning. And saw that, first of all, we didn't need to create all this UGC, like to replicate some of the best benefits of what our competitors had in these big content databases. Some of it you can basically do even then at a kind of automated basis. And then also, we were starting to create these user experiences that were, a lot better than what our competitors could offer, based on then at the time what seems kind of quaint, like AI stuff, like the same recommendation algorithm that powers Pandora and Spotify's like recommended music. You can use, they look at basically is, oh, this song relates to that song. People listen to this, also listen to this and this and this, right? Similarly, we looked at, okay, cases that cite to, other cases, they all reference earlier opinions. They kind of build out this network of citations. And we found ways that we can check a lawyer's work. They'd upload their work so far and be like, well, everybody who talks about this case talks about this case too, and you missed that.
Mm.
So cool experiences like that. But the truth is, until the very end, until co-counsel, a lot of what we did were, relatively speaking, kind of incremental improvements on the legal workflow. And one of the things that's kind of weird about this is, when there's just an incremental improvement, it's actually pretty easy to ignore. A lot of our clients, they would never say this literally, but you kind of have this impression. You walk into their room, their office, and you try to pitch them a product. And you say, this is going to change everything about the way you practice. And they go, well, I make $5 million a year. I don't want nothing to change. This technology, it's